Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD pound dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart. Yes, unlike the other videos today, I'm in the 1 hour chart of GBP USD. And right now market is trading at 1.3088. This is the current market price of GBP USD right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then unlike yesterday, we can see that DXY is trying to recover again after this huge fall day before yesterday. We were kind of skeptical what will happen to DXY right now, but since yesterday we can see that DXY is giving its best fight to recover in the market. So there is a possibility that market will be continuing the uptrend. So there will be some pressure on GBP USD and Euro pairs again. Okay, so we are still not sure yet. So as a result, whatever you do, follow proper risk management and strict stop loss is very essential. Because see, market is very volatile right now. This very much sensitive to news again. It has been sensitive to news for the last couple of days, and yes, the volatility is still there in the market because the war is still going on. Keep in mind. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. So first of all, I would like to talk about the level of 1.3075. 1.3075. This level is important for the market because we can see that for the last couple of hours market is trying to take temporary support here. Yes, temporary support, not a strong one. So yes, market is trying to take temporary support here. If you have taken a buy position, be with the buy position, but your stop loss should also be here because this support is not strong enough. Each and every market in the world, every chart has got some important levels, crucial levels. Okay, and there are certain levels that are not strong enough. So this level is not strong enough to trust it. That's it. So if you have a buy position, be with the buy position, but observe the market because if DXY continues the uptrend, then there is a possibility of market breaking the temporary support and going down. If GBP USD breaks this level of 1.3075 and starts going down, you can take a sell position as well, and your stop loss will be around 1.3090, around 30 pips stop loss. Okay, 25 to 30 pips stop loss. Okay, so if you have a buy position, continue with the buy position. If you are looking for sell, then wait for the market to break this level, because as I have just shown, there is a possibility of DXY continuing the uptrend. So if DXY goes up, DXY starts flying again, GBP USD will break the support and go down, and we can take a sell as well. The next important level for GBP USD will be, if market starts going up, then there is a possibility that it will be facing some selling around 1.3140 level. Why? Because we have the 50 moving average here. Okay, again I'm saying this level 1.3140 again is not a strong level. Yes, things are not very clear right now. If you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I prefer to trade from level to level. But this is not a market, okay, where we can make huge money, where we can rely on the levels, because this is a news-driven market, volatile market. Okay, so again I'm saying 1.3140 can be a level, but not a strong one. But on the other hand, 1.3160 is a better level. So if market starts going up from here, okay, observe the market around 1.3140 and 1.3160. If you see that price is struggling near this level, if you see price is being rejected from above, अगर ऊपर से अगर दिखाई दे कि प्राइस रिजेक्शन हो रहा है, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, bearish pin bar pattern, it will give you the confirmation that yes, selling pressure is still there in the market and you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, sell before taking a sell position, confirmation is extremely important. So If market breaks this level, go for a sell. If you have a buy, hold on to it. And on the other hand, if market goes up or reverses from this level, you can take a sell position as well. And the ultimate selling position for GBP USD for Friday is 1.3200. This level is the ultimate resistance level for GBP USD, at least for today. Let's see how the market reacts. There is a possibility that market will be facing selling around this level. Let's wait and watch. And whatever you do, follow proper risk management, proper stop loss, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So protect your hard-earned money and capital. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. And please do not invest money with the scammers that I have discussed yesterday. Okay. So bye bye.